everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tip. I know you see a change. Yes, I did cut my hair. It's growing on me. So today I will be doing a unboxing of the LUVME wig. It's actually a glueless wig. So this will be my first time ever trying any products from LUVME. And I just wanted to do an unboxing today, and then I'm also going to try it on to see if it is truly a glueless wig. My first time trying a glueless wig also. It did come in through UPS, and it didn't take that long to get here either. I feel like maybe by the time I ordered it for processing and for it to ship and for me to receive it, it probably took maybe like a week or less. So that wasn't too long at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to open this, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, finally got it open. So comes in this cute little box. I guess this little ribbon was on it. And it has their logo, LUVME Hair Affordable Luxury Wig. I also got it on sale. They were having a pretty huge sale on their site. So I think the wig was originally like $2 something, but I believe I paid like $160 for it. So that was a pretty decent price. All right, so let's see what's in here. We'll show you this last. So this is the wig. Comes in this bag as most wigs do. See, we have a note in here. Enjoy your hair journey from now on. And I guess maybe this is the founders. Helena, the founder of LUVME Hair. That's nice. I have a wax stick, and I think I ordered the wax stick. I also have a code to use. Join the group to claim $10, and they gave me a $5 gift card. Got the wig cap, and they also have their return and refund policy. How to care for your wig, how to use your hair wig, and some FAQs as well. So this is pretty cool. They provide you all the information that you need. So this also came in here. All right. And it comes with a LUVME hair wig. It's like a head wrap. Comes with the elastic band. Comes with bobby pins. Oh, this is nice. Okay, you have your baby hair brush, comb. Wow, this is a lot that comes with it. You have a little LUVME clip, hair clip. And it also comes with tweezers as well. So that's pretty good that you get all the extras with the amount that you pay for the wig. And a little note that's also extra special as well. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this wig out. And I'll put the information for the wig that I purchased inside of the description. Alright, so this is the wig. It has a middle part. Okay, so it's actually the 5x5 lace, glueless, loose, wave lace wig. Alright. So it also comes with the adjustable straps inside. You have a comb here in the back, combs on the side, and then you have the elastic band here as well. All right. put this on. Oh. Put on my wig cap. Trying to do it without messing up my hair too much. Let's see. Okay. Okay, that's kind of cute. I didn't think I would look good with long hair. But I would want to maybe color it because I don't know how black looks on me. Oh. Looks like a little bit too much. All right, let's see how we can part this. So we can do a side part if we want it. And I would probably bring it over this way instead. Okay. So I think that's cute, y'all. And like I don't know about the middle part. Maybe if I can get my hair a little bit flatter underneath, and maybe if I can put the part on this side, because middle parts usually don't look well on me. So I think it may look better with a side part. And it's like super long, so that's something I would have to get used to. But that's it, y'all. I hope that you like the unboxing. Oh, and with that band being in the back, this is my first time having an elastic band on there. It feels pretty secure. It's something that I would be able to wear. I could just put it on and not worry about it coming off. It feels pretty secure. And I could probably still spray some got to be glued right here. Yep. All right, y'all. So what I'll do is after this video, I'll film another video later on to show you all how I style it and how it looks with the lace cut and how it looks with my side part also. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe because it encourages me and motivates me to do more videos. And it also, you know, will allow other people to be able to see my videos as well if they're interested in the same things that I'm interested in and that you're interested in. So guys, support me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Thank you guys so much for everything. Make sure you all stay blessed out there. I pray that your families and your friends are safe, healthy, and blessed as well. And I will see you next time. You know what it is. Peace.